Hi, so now I want to say a couple of words about the Taste of Love Day workshop. Again, it's been held every 4 to 6 weeks, and it's a day-long immersion into one topic about a tantric philosophy or concept that we explore together, and then also create the embodied or physical practical experience so you can feel in your own body the actual concept we're talking about. So this is based on the principle of embodiment, meaning that there's wisdom we have in our head, knowledge, but it doesn't become a truly felt experience unless we actually have the physical experience through the 5 senses, through the emotional body. So the day workshop has those 2 components. So the next one is going to be on the January 14th, and it's open to couples and singles. We do work together, paired up exercises in a rotational system. And couples are welcome to work together, of course, if they like to. And on the next day workshop, we're going to dive into the exploration of how the masculine and feminine polarity seeks connection, because it's actually quite opposite, because they are opposite polarities, and actually creates a lot of problems often in ourselves if we are not aware how these polarities work and what their needs are and how they can engage in a healthy way with each other. And also can create a lot of issues in relationships if we don't understand the needs of our partner. They seem so foreign, so strange to us. So, everybody has heard of this book, Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. So we're going to explore that around co-regulatory desires, sexual desires and needs, and these 2 polarities. And we're also going to find a way for this polarity to actually find harmony within your external relationships and your internal relationships. Just a brief example. The masculine is passionate for freedom. It loves its own space. The man shed, the biker on the motorbike traveling, on a road trip, the walkabouts. All cultures have this, and we all actually carry that inside of us. Depending how strong this polarity is in us, developed in us. While the feminine polarity, for example, she can be very much into commitment, vulnerability, deeper exploration and growth. It's just one aspect. I'm making an example here. So these 2 can be quite opposite. And so we will be working with this to explore how they're actually at its core the same, and how they can actually work beautifully together. So anyway, I hope to see you there. Lunch is provided on that day. And if you have any questions, send us an email.